Okay. My name's Anat, and today I am going to be reorganizing my entire closet. I'm going to be going through all the clothes I own and deciding which to keep, which to donate, and so on. As you can see, the closet is empty because I am moving back into my room for the summer. So it's a great clean start, and I'm very excited. I'm very thirsty. But yeah, so this is my room with nothing in it. Welcome and enjoy. Now that I am properly sweating and my room is like 5 degrees hotter than it was before, it's time to get organizing. I think we're gonna tackle dresses first. I don't wear a lot of dresses. I own a lot. I don't ever wear them. Super cute, mildly see-through. I've worn it once, like 6 years ago. This t-shirt dress, super comfy, lazy. I've worn out like once or twice. I don't need it. Cute, too short on me. I've worn it out twice. Okay, so I've pretty much put everything in a, no, that's a lie. I have the things I'm gonna keep. I have a few maybe items tossed in there. And I put those in my keep pile just because my giveaway pile is so massive. The goal of this is to diminish the amount of clothes I have in my closet because I don't wear a lot of them. Yeah, my no pile, I'm gonna have to just go through again to double check, but right now, everything is gonna go in the closet. So it's time to fold and organize and decide what goes where. It'll also give me an idea of what I own. Super exciting. this is the finished closet. Pretty much here are things that I'm pretty sure I'm keeping. I'll go through it one more time, but I just folded it all nicely. Up here are a couple leggings and some t-shirts that I'm not sure about because I don't really need that many t-shirts. And then on this side, we have all my hanging clothes. So we have jackets and sweaters, and then some like buttoned shirts or t-shirts that are a bit more funky that should be hung, and then some of more professional type wear that I will need for work. All right, that's it. That is me sorting through my clothing, getting rid of like half of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you soon.